our chance to show them all. Come with me to the island, translate these symbols, and help me find the crown. Welcome back to this episode, and let's quickly get into it. The Lost City. We're going to be learning English phrases and English words. This is Shape Your English, where you will be learning English through pure entertainment. Let's get into it.
You can name your price. You can name your price.
Name your price. Name your price. What does this mean? This means how much one is willing to pay for something or one is willing to sell something. Let's say I go in a store. I see something I like. I say, "Excuse me, sir. Name your price for this item. Name your price for this item." And they're going to say £5. And I'm going to be like, how about £4.55? Sold. So, how about when I want to sell something? For example, I want to know a person's budget. A person has come, they want to buy my house. And name your price for buying my house. And they'll give me a number. Now I know how much they want to pay for it.
Not a lot of other job options on the island, are there, Rafi? Beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers.
Beggars can't be choosers. I love this quote, and I only heard it in this movie. And it's fantastic. It's a very nice line. So what does this mean? Beggars can't be choosers. Basically meaning something is better than nothing. When you don't have options of many things, like rich people have a lot of options. So they are choosers. They can choose whatever they want. They can choose what car to drive, what to eat, what woman to have. When you are a beggar, when you don't have much money, you can't be a chooser. You just get whatever comes to you. You get whatever that is available to you. You get whatever that is better than nothing.